Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I was at McDonald's the other day and had this egg McMuffin. Decided to reproduce it and make my own. And this is far better than anything you'd ever find at any fast food place. So let me walk you through this and we'll give it a try. Okay, what I've got here is my silicone egg ring. And I just picked this up at the dollar store. You know, you can get them in metal, whatever you like. But I'm just going to set this in and mix a perfect egg. Add in a teaspoon of butter. I'm just going to let this melt down over medium-high heat. Once the butter is melted, I'm just going to crack in an egg. And give it a pinch just to break the yolk. Add in a quarter cup of water. Put the lid on and just let it cook for, well, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. What the water does is let it steam so it doesn't burn on the bottom and you get the perfect egg. And just have a look at this, guys. Simply great. Once the water is all absorbed, I'm going to remove this, kill the heat, and remove my molder. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside on a plate. Okay, let's build our sandwich by toasting our English muffins. Now it's done. I'm just going to remove it. After that, add on a slice of cheese, our nicely cooked egg, a piece of cooked ham. Of course, you can use bacon, sausage, you know, whatever you like. And we're going to pop the top on. And there you have it, our ham and egg muffin. Perfect for breakfast, even dinner, whatever time of the day. Okay, let's give this a taste test. So I'm going to just dip it in some ketchup. So good, guys. Better than any fast food you'd ever find. You gotta try this. You can always get this recipe at cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Head on over and have a look. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.